Guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. I'm going to show you a website called Property Management System. This property management system is an automated property search and sales in online. So let's get into the project description. This is a project description. Many individuals wanted their home and workspaces to be in the best areas, but that manually property searching follows a lengthy and hectic process. To avoid this process, we designed this project management system. In this project management system, we have three major modules. Those are admin, owner, and user. This admin, owner, and user can perform these operations in the website. Here the admin will log in into the website with the default login credentials. After login into the website, the admin can add and view the categories. The owner will register into the website with their details like name, email, phone, password, address. By using all the details, the owner will get registered into the website. After completion of the registration, the owner will get login into the website with the registered email address and password. Owner will add the properties to the website and view the rentals which are posted by him, and he can post at the sales also by entering the name of the sale apartments or villas like that. So he'll post the sales also. After posting the sales, the user will get registered into the website with the login, with the details, with the whole details. And after registration, user login into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the user can view the rentals and sales also. He will check the rentals and sales. According to the rentals and sales, he will select the apartments or villas, and he sent the request to the owner. For the sales, he sent the request to the owners. Owners can view their request in the view sales request. After receiving the request, he'll accept or decline the request by clicking the both buttons. So after accepting the request, the user will get the complete payment page for the sales request. So this will see the output of the website. I'm giving the admin login. I'm showing the admin login page. Here the admin will log in into the website with the email address and password. Here I'm typing the email and I'm giving the password here. Login. Welcome to administration. So here I'm adding the categories like this. By entering the name of the categories, admin will add the categories to the website. After adding the categories, admin will log out. Owner will get registered into the website first by entering the name, email address, phone number, and owner password. Owner address, here I am giving the owner address, and by clicking this register button, owner will get registered into the website. Register, owner registration successful. I'm logging with owner. Here I'm typing this owner email address, password, login. Owner login successful. Add property. Owner will get add the property based on the categories. By selecting the categories, owner will add the properties to the website. So I'm adding the apartments. Apartment name. Is apartments. Property image. Description. Apartment first. Features. Number of floors and rooms. Eight floors and 12 rooms. Amount 3 lakh. Location. Choose type as rental or sale. I'm choosing a sale and submit. Property added successfully. We can view this property in the view posted sales. This is the view posted sale. We can view the request also. We don't have any request because user doesn't not log in into the website. So let's get into the user. User will get registered into the website with the name, email address, phone number, password, address, register. After registration, login. User login successful. View rentals. Here we can see the rentals also which are posted by the owner, and we can view the sales. So we'll send the request to the sales by clicking the send request. Price, we'll enter the price. Message to the owner, send sale request. These are the sale requests which are sent by user. Log out, and we will again log in as owner. Here the owner can view the sales request in view sale request page, and here we have two buttons called accept and reject. By clicking the accept and reject button, the owner can confirm the sales request. Here I'm accepting the sales request. Log out. I'm logging into the user. View sales request. Here we got a pay now button, and by clicking this, remaining amount should be paid here. Card number must be 16 digits. Expiry date, CVV number. Property owned. Here the status will be changed as property sold, and owner owner also will change the status as property sold. This is the property sold. And also the owner will add the rentals also. Adding the picture here, description, features, amount, rented amount, and location. For rental, carpet area also will select the rooms, number of rooms, advance, and rent, complete rent. So by submitting this, we can view the posted rental also, make as rented. By contacting the clients and by the with the communication by in the phones, the owner and user will get discussed about the rentals, and owner will change the status as make as rented, and property will be changed as property rented. This is the property management system website. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.